Maybe a cheeky Bastion.
True self is without form.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What's going on?
Is charging.
Alt Z?
Yeah.
Much obliged.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna combo, Indy. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Where do you want to hold?
Where's the best?
Gotcha.
Tell me your thoughts, my friend.
Oh wait, can we ride the roller coaster before it starts? Like, call a timeout or something? Man.
Oh, I almost fell off. Ooh. Oh, what are the chances? Yeah, MMA, this is good.
Sniper is an excellent teacher.
Oh, they've got a whirl, right? In the boat.
Oh, Jenny, you're crazy.
My shield's at half. Let me regen some shield. Oh, thank you, roller coaster. I knew it'd come in handy. Take your heals. Donka. Mine charged.
Good call.
Mine down.
Oh, good, good, good.
Oh,
Jenny's
I'm
going
sleep.
crazy.
I'm sleep.
She's just standing
That's your
still.
group back up there.
Oh my god. How many E limbs do you have, Jenny? I can bubble you if you wanna.
Three.
You can...
I have 4.
Shield at half.
Did you kill her? How did you what?
Danny, I need healing. Oh, never mind. I'm good.
Shield regen. I'm gonna bait the shit out of this Reinhardt. Oh, he's gonna charge me
They're
like
about
an
to
idiot.
push you guys.
Calling it. Oh, for fuck's sake. I have Earth Shatter.
I'm gonna die.
Shit.
I almost had my all.
Overconfidence.
Alright.
Flimsy shield.
Zen down. Killed Zen.
Yeah, we gotta back out. We gotta back out.
Yeah, it was pretty good for Blizzard World.
Yeah. Like normally you just get rolled. Okay, I'm gonna ult them. We need to push up. We
I
also
have
need
my
to
ulti
defend.
too.
Shit, I might actually switch. Sorry, it's easy. I haven't moved much. Where's our Reinhardt?
Top.
You up top. You wanna take position? Bastion? Oh, okay. Reaper behind. Behind you.
Danny get into the RP.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I'm dead. Never mind, I'm not dead.
Ult in point.
Okay, at least I got a little bit.
Nice. Wasted ult.
Reaper's trying to come up behind. So
They're
just
May
watch
wasted
out.
ult.
Yeah, I'll save my barriers and then attempt to save. I'm actually just gonna go for the bastion.
He's
him,
behind,
like,
he's behind,
going
he's
around.
behind. Reaper behind, Reaper behind.
Okay. Shit.
Do you see him?
I saw him for
Just
a
watch your
second. I don't
backs.
know where he
Yeah, I
went.
saw him for a second too.
He's right here.
Oh, he's
He's
here,
right
he's
on me. Right on me.
I don't know where he went.
Oh, nice shatter.
No.
I think I might switch to Roadhog.
Alright, I used my ult.
Sure.
Damn it. Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Ana down. I'm getting frozen.
Damn it.
Sorry, I couldn't save you.
Nice.
Hey, little bitch. Little bitch.
Danny, do you want to switch? Because you're probably a better fair than I am.
Sure. Wanna die though?
Okay. I'm
So
gonna
we had the
switch off.
point.
Ana down.
Did it cap it?
Yeah, they capped it, but
Yeah, I'll switch.
Fuck this stupid. Oh my god.
I'm probably gonna switch to a different healer. I just...
oh shit.
Damn.
I'm back.
Pain is an excellent teacher.
Behind this Reaper. He doesn't even see me.
I'm not going away.
What? Okay. My screen, the hammer went down. Death cam, it didn't.
Oh
How
my
did he have
god.
that twice in a row? Like, that was really fast.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Good game.
It's like, what counters Reaper?
Yeah,
McCree.
I guess
I
so.
cannot go McCree.
0 to 3. Switching sides.
Because he was like, this once they made that switch, the game
Prepare
changed.
to attack.
Yeah, it's probably.
Select your hero.
Um,
I'm gonna try to do Zarya an attack. I think we can do better. I can also go healer if one of you wants to.
I don't know. Should I try Tracer?
Yeah, they didn't
Yeah.
do a. They didn't do a. Yeah. Nothing to really stop you. And we can also combo.
Is this enough damage?
I think so. Yeah.
Is without flaw.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
I'm gonna try to go like up behind, you know. They're setting up on the top.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
up top. Over
Have
some
over some
Bastion,
Roadhog, I
I think? I don't know Bastion, but...
Oh, Reaper, Reaper, Reaper! On us, on us, on us! Reaper on us! He literally just teleported right behind you guys. Okay.
I've got a Reaper on me.
Where is the Reaper?
Reaper down.
Dead. You wanna go off this?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I got 2 down, so.
Just fucking get on point. Fuck her.
Yeah, just ignore it.
Yeah.
Ignore it.
There's an Anna here. Trying to get me. Damn it, I died.
I'll pick you up if I can, Liz, but no promises.
Yeah,
Looks like it's not.
just played safe. I can get there pretty fast, so it's good. Anna's pretty low.
Focus on somebody. Focus on Piggy. Just focus Piggy right now. Everybody focus Piggy. Oh, one. Nice. Perfect.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, good
someone's
call
by
out,
shark.
good call out.
Oh, Genji behind.
Oh, no, on us, Genji. Liz, I don't know where you are. Reaper on point,
shit.
Reaper on point!
Good all. Holy shit.
Good call.
I've got Earth
guys.
Shatter.
Yeah. I don't know why, but I don't hear the Reaper's like teleport sound.
Yeah, it's.
I didn't hear it
Sounds
both
like-
times.
Objective A
It was very quiet.
escort the payload.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get.
Get him.
I'm just gonna annoy them from the side.
Yeah, I'm
got
gonna
Earth
grab
Shatter
them
ready.
as soon as we as soon
I've
as
got
they like
ground.
push up into us.
Come to me.
Grab and Tracer.
Do you want me to bubble? Okay.
Genji to her left.
My barrier's down.
May, yep.
Oh,
My
fuck.
bad.
shit.
Don't bother. Don't, okay.
Barrier full. Fuck.
Reaper
I love
up top,
pressing the
Reaper
wrong
up
button.
top. You got your caught out. Reaper behind.
I'm s-
Never mind.
Shit! I didn't. For some reason, I didn't realize that he was ulting too.
Let's get this Reaper.
The outcome is preordained.
Reaper's coming behind, back left.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna bother him.
Sleep. She ulted.
On us. Everybody's super low.
Oh, bold! Holy shit!
Everybody's super low. Careful.
Thanks.
Dude, I keep pressing the wrong
Just
fucking
don't put it
button.
as a Genji.
I swear to
On
God.
you.
I'm just trying to push the payload a little bit
Oh, of course you.
so it doesn't go
yeah,
back.
It's a good point. I'm on the cart.
Okay, I don't know. Oh shit.
Yeah, we need to get on a cart.
We need to. Yeah, we're gonna back out. Or
Adversity is an opportunity ready for transcendence. Experience tranquility.
He's super low.
We must
Who's up
Reaper's
top?
really low.
Who's there?
Reaper's really low. Oh, thank you.
Okay, we gotta make a push right now. We gotta get on point.
Let's go.
All of us together.
Oh, I know. Are we doing it? We're doing it. I'm not doing it.
I'm distracting the main.
Do you have your pulse bomb? It's okay.
No, not yet. I'm 26.
We gotta go, we gotta go, let's go.
Oh, I hit the wrong button, but it kind of. Oh, shit.
They have a bastion? Did they always have that? I don't know.
No.
Oh, that's fucking me.
Zenyatta's almost dead.
Oh shit, the Bastion got me.
Pain is an
Let's go for final push.
I'm gonna go Diva.
30 seconds remaining.
We gotta go, we gotta go.
I'm running straight to it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they're my bastion. That's a weeb score, right?
Oh, risky.
Huge.
Fuck. Good game.
Play of the game.
I don't even remember.
Holy transcendence here.